ValuePlan combines a user-friendly interface, flexibility, and open and efficient data structure to provide a powerful and planning and budgeting solution for any business. This is an example of a ValuePlan sales budget. We have already imported historical data 2 years back, and our first budget figures are based on last year's numbers. The data in this model is organized by product and product group, customer, customer group, and department. This structure is always different between businesses. It is defined in the implementation phase based on the structure and needs of your business. The number of dimensions, grouping levels, and measures is virtually unlimited. When I first start on a new budget model, my dataset is closed. Before I start working, I must open up my dataset. As soon as I open the dataset, my manager will see that I have started working on the budget. To start working, I might begin by selecting a product group. Then I might work with expected sales quantity, either month by month or for the whole year. If I enter total figures, ValuePlan splits them down into the months and down to the product level. I can choose if this distribution is relative or equal. If needed, I can easily drill down to the deeper levels, analyze the data in comparison with previous periods, and work with percentage changes or input directly into the product sheet. Once I worked with the product group, I might want to look at the customer dimension to work with the split between customer groups or customers. Here I might want to change the figures based on what I know or anticipate about the customers. Once I have adjusted the split between the customers, this figure is kept even if I change the totals. At any level, I can always go into the Analysis tab and look at the comparison between periods. I can always work either in the Analysis tab or in the Dimension tabs. All changes that I do are logged into the database. I can always add a comment to explain my changes for later viewing. I can review my comments and see precisely what change the comment is related to. Also, I always have full visibility on the comments related to the section I'm working with. I can always undo the changes that I've done, either one by one or in the whole sheet. I can easily copy data between cells, copy into Excel, and copy fresh data from Excel into ValuePlan. This comes in handy, for example, if I want to do some calculations outside the ValuePlan and then copy in the results. Once I've finished working, I submit my budget for review. And then my manager can review my budget and approve or let me rework either the budget in whole or some parts of it. ValuePlan supports multiple budget versions. It also supports rolling forecasts and budget periods of different length. The ValuePlan sales budget solution is designed to work with large amounts of multidimensional data. It pulls live data from the ERP system and seamlessly delivers budget figures to any reporting solution. The user interface is simple and easy to understand. In short, ValuePlan is a powerful yet simple solution that simplifies and speeds up the planning process, allowing managers to focus on thinking about the future instead of battling with spreadsheets.